Hey, what's up, guys? This is Billy Josie, aka the New Generation Marketer here in Jacksonville, Florida. I want to welcome you to today's video. Today's video is basically an article from Entrepreneur.com. It says the 11 entrepreneurs who have defied the odds. 11 entrepreneurs who defied the odds. Now, of course, before I get into what I want to talk about today, I want to remind you that if this is your first time on my YouTube channel, I want to welcome you. Again, if you are an entrepreneur, if you're in network marketing, affiliate marketing, direct sales, and you want to just learn some things that you can help to build your business, whether it be inspiration, motivation, or be something with helping you developing that mindset, or whether it be tools or strategies, you come to the right channel. I'm going to provide you with things that I use in my own business to help me grow in it, and most likely, I believe that if you take advantage of it, if you learn from it, that it can help you grow in your own business as well. So, also, I want to say that if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, be sure to click that subscribe button, subscribe to my channel so you get notified of any new videos. And also, too, if you do find value in this video, give me a like, give me a share, if you do find that this is valuable to you. So, here we are. This is the article from Entrepreneur.com, the 11 entrepreneurs who've defied the odds. And I want to highlight the entrepreneur that you see on the screen right now. His name is Ashton Henry. And I want to highlight Ashton Henry because I have a personal connection with Ashton, because I've met Ashton on social media back living in South Florida in 2010. And I met him on social media, and he hadn't achieved the status that he had as of yet. So I kind of started, and then over 10 years, he had this massive growth. So first of all, I wanted to congratulate Ashton and say, man, and it's like something I'm very proud of. I'm very proud of what he's done. I'm very proud of the impact that he's made with entrepreneurs basically around the world. So yeah, so I will leave a link at the bottom. You can read the actual article. You can read Ashton's story, as well as you can read the other 10 entrepreneurs that are featured there as well. But definitely take a look at Ashton. This guy is someone that you want to follow because he really did overcome some odds to get to where he is now. And not only did he overcome odds in his own life, but he's helped many other people overcome odds to get to success in their own life. So this is just a quick video. Just wanted to celebrate this entrepreneur because, again, I have a connection to him. I can kind of almost consider him a friend that I really haven't met yet, but I just knew of him on social media, started out with him before he achieved success, and just to see how the growth in him, I'm kind of floored by it. So that's what we all want. That's all what we want. All we want as entrepreneurs, we want to be able to grow. We want to be able to have impact. We want to be able to, leave a legacy for our families. We want to, have that extra, if you're working full time and you're doing, building your own business part time, you want to create, just things that you can have, give yourself options that if you want to one day decide that you want to do this full time, you can do it full time. So, or if you're full time, you want to go to the next level. So I wanted to just kind of acknowledge this entrepreneur. Like I said, I don't think I've ever done anything really about highlighting entrepreneurs, but this guy, Ashton, like I said, I think he's probably one of the humble guys and one of the guys that's out there that can really help you grow in your business. So here's the thing. I know Ashton, if you've watched the Steve Harvey show, he's been on like three, maybe 4 times already, talking about, how to repair your credit. So if you're watching this and you're thinking about network marketing, one of Ashton's income streams is network marketing. So definitely look out for this guy. Definitely reach out to this guy. There's a link. You can follow him on Instagram. You can follow him on Facebook. You can follow him right here on YouTube. But I just want to highlight Ashton Henry, one of the entrepreneurs who defied the odds in a 10-year period and achieved amazing success. So Ashton, if you're watching this, my friend, I do want to say congratulations again. I know I've told you couple times already, but congratulations again. I'm very proud of you. And again, guys, if you got some value from this video, definitely subscribe, share this video, give me a like. And this is Billy Josie, the AKA the New Generation Marketer here in Jacksonville, Florida. Just wanted to give some kudos to my friend Ashton Henry for just doing some amazing things for the entrepreneur world. God bless you guys. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.